Hi, it's Darnell with Wave Recipes. Today I'm going to grill up some chicken breasts in the Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1. This microwave combination air fryer combination convection oven. It's got some settings that should help cook up some chicken breasts really nice. So let's get started with that right now. Alright, so I've got the Breville Combi Wave crisper pan here with a couple of boneless, skinless chicken breasts in it. The total weight of them is about 1.5 pounds. And so I've got some very simple seasonings that I'm going to be using. Just going to be freshly grinding some black pepper and some applewood smoked sea salt I'm going to be putting on both sides. So just going to get them seasoned up now. Alright, so I got them all seasoned up now. I'm basically going to open up the Breville Combi Wave. Going to put them inside here. Notice that I have the crisper legs, the legs on the crisper pan down so that this can stand up high, because this is going to be using some upper level heating, the heating element up top. Close things up. And now to give you the close-in view, I'm going to hit the food menu button and going to press the button to go in on cook. And then I'm going to spin the dial till I get down to chicken. And now that I'm at chicken, I'm going to press in on selecting chicken. It tells me to use the pan legs. It asks me the weight. I'm going up to 1.5 pounds. So I'm at 1.5 pounds. It's still telling me to use pan legs. When you change weight, always keep an eye at what it says, because it may change instructions. But it's going to use the grill and oven is what it's telling me. And so I'm going to just hit start. And so it's cooking at 450 degrees Fahrenheit using the grill and the oven functions for 35 minutes. And so I'll bring you back when this probably get to a point where it'll chime to flip them over. I'll bring you back then. Alright, there's that chime to flip. So going to open it up and give them a flip. Here's how they look so far. Partially done. And on that other side, yep, cooking real good. So we just close up. We let things finish. I'll bring you back. Alright, we're coming to the end of this 35-minute cook at 450 degrees Fahrenheit in the Breville Combi Wave. And just for anyone wondering, there's been no type of smoke or anything coming out of the cooker during this entire cook. Things have been pretty calm and peaceful. So let's get in here and check the temperature. It's at 157. It's like almost, oh, wait a minute. Yeah, we're good. We're good. It's like 155. I think we're kind of close. This one, yeah, I think we're kind of close. We almost got there. Let's give it just a little bit more time. Let's try that a bit more button. That gives it another 3 minutes 30 seconds. I'll bring you back in 3 minutes 30 seconds. Alright, we're coming into the last 30 seconds of what will now be a 38.5-minute cook. I had just enough time with that a bit more button to get my thermopin cleaned off, and if this takes 38.5 minutes, that's still not bad. Even doing grilled chicken breasts and like my New Wave Brio takes a little over 30 minutes with that cooker. So for this, if it does it in like 38.5, that's still a pretty good deal. So gonna go ahead and get in here as soon as it's done now. Let's see what our temperatures are now after a bit more. Yep, we're over 165 there. We're at 165 and above there, so we're good to go. Here's your completed grilled chicken breasts. And set those there for a second while I set my thermopin down. I'm gonna get one of these grilled chicken breasts and going to, let's see, I'll get this one and set it over here. I'm just going to close up and leave that other one in there for now. And I'm just going to cut the middle, and I'm going to cut a piece for taste test. So let's slice right down the middle. And right down the middle we see things are fully cooked. You can see there, fully cooked. And going to just slice a piece off for taste test. Alright, so get the camera moved and we'll taste test. Alright, here's our chicken breast grilled and piping hot from the Breville Combi Wave. If you choose, you can let the chicken breast set for like maybe 10 minutes if you want, for the juices to reabsorb some if you want to, but we're going to get right in here and we're going to taste test this piece now. Alright, turned out great. Tastes good, very well cooked, and a good amount of time for a combination cooker like this. I think that's a respectable amount of time. And so, you know, the Breville Combi Wave, it can be your microwave, it can be your convection oven, it can be your grill. What can I say? It does the job. And so you'll be able to find this, other recipes, heating instructions, even though it's, you know, so simple how it, you know, has the setup. I'll still write it up anyway, just in case anyone is wondering. And so, and you know, also because this does take a bit more, so you might want to manually just start out at like 38.5 or 38 instead of starting out, you know, with the default 35, unless you want to try their default out. But all the same, you can find this other written recipes at superwaveovenrecipes.com. You can always come to this YouTube channel by going to waveovenrecipes.com, on Twitter and Instagram at waveovenrecipes. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and remember, in the video description also are links, referral links for other cookers if you're interested in any through where I have the referral relationship. You can pay the same price and help this channel for those other cookers. And I wish you all good eating.